Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by picking a die designed specifically for edge cutting and a sturdy 300-350 GSM cardstock, so the edge holds crisp detail. Once chosen, align the die flush to the card edge, keeping about a 1/16 margin for safe clearance, and hold it with low-tack tape so it won't shift. Run a quick test sandwich through your machine following the manufacturer's thickness settings, because a scrap test saves time and prevents crushing the first. Next, to get clean detail on complex edge dies, add a metal shim and rotate the card through the rollers to distribute pressure evenly. Once cut, give gentle light taps on the table to help the cardstock release, and use a fine poking tool or a soft brush to ease out trapped bits without tearing. Make sure to clear fibers from the die after each run. Clogged cavities lead to incomplete impressions, so consistent cleaning preserves sharp cuts and repeatable results. To finish, lightly sand or ink the exposed edge for a polished, professional appearance, and use thin foam layers if you want raised edge effects. If a cut tears or is incomplete, rerun the same piece with a slightly thicker sandwich or add a metal shim. Conversely, if embossing shows too much crush, remove shims. Finally, store dies on a magnetic sheet with a thin oil wipe to prevent rust and label them by edge size so you can grab the right tool next time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.